Maintaining accuracy and compliance in your lab isn't just important, it's essential. The Semi-Annual Validation Kit ensures your SQA-Vision, IO, and V analyzers meet CLIA regulatory standards, giving you confidence in every test result. With precision and linearity testing, this kit verifies that your analyzer is producing consistent, reliable data, helping you stay compliant and ensuring the highest quality fertility diagnostics. Why choose this kit? Because accuracy matters. Inside, you'll find everything needed for seamless validation: data sheets for documentation, precision and linearity beads, disposable testing capillaries, and a USB flash drive with all required testing sheets. Plus, our free data analysis service saves you time while ensuring compliance. By using the Semi-Annual Validation Kit, you're not just maintaining standards, you're optimizing lab performance, reducing errors, and ensuring better patient outcomes. Don't take chances with accuracy. Order your Semi-Annual Validation Kit today and keep your lab at its best.